good morning for this Wednesday, October 30th. And the chart we're looking at is UA stock, UA, United Armour. If you recall, we put a trade on here, right here on Monday, right above this inside bar here. Went long at $80.48. And yesterday, what I decided to do, since the market was able to take out the prior day's high by only one measly tick, I decided to move that stop, which was sitting right below that inside pattern. I moved it up to 10 cents below Tuesday's low, since it took out the high first, right? So I got stopped out, but I'll tell you what I did, okay? Let me tell you exactly what I did here. All right, got stopped out at 10 cents below Tuesday's low. Tuesday's low was 79.95, so 79.85. Went long at 80.48, so that amounts to a 63-cent loss. That was a 63-cent loss. But of course, had this chart up during the day, and I put an intraday chart up as well. And let me show you a 3-minute chart, and let me show you exactly how I re-entered this market at the exact same price that I was originally long at, $80.48. Let me flip over to a 3-minute. All right, this is the intraday chart. This is a 3-minute chart of UA, right? Remember, made that high of 81.50 yesterday. Yesterday's high was right here, right? Came down, knocked me out here at 79.85, right? Below the prior day's low, got knocked out near the low of the day. So I had this up during the day, and I noticed this is what happened. Look at the white horizontal line. The white horizontal line is right at my prior entry at $80.48, right? So as the day progressed, I put a white horizontal line on that 80.48 to see if it were to penetrate up through 80.48, that could be a re-entry to the long side, right? Because off of the daily chart, I want to be long. So I was knocked out prematurely, and I'm looking for a reason to enter back in the market. So this is 80.48 right here. I run it across right here. Okay. Now, if you're not aware, this is these are the blue action zones. These are my resistance lines when the trend is down. There's support when the trend is up. Trend is up when the bars are green. Trend turns down when the bars are red. Right. We've got the 50 exponential sitting right here. We've got 100 exponential. We've got a gray action zone, right? Gray action zone acts as resistance when the trend is down and support when it's up. So look at when the market came up right here and penetrated up through my original entry at $80.48 right here. It penetrated right here. Let me take this off. Market penetrated up through 80.48 to 80.52, and immediately I wanted to get long on a small little pullback. So as the market hit this high here, penetrated up through the 80.48, I immediately bought back to this moving average right in here. So I am back long this market right here at $80.38. So that's why I went long. My initial catastrophic stop loss below the low of the day, and again, that low is 79.69. So again, 10 cents below 79.69 is 79.59. So check this out. Okay, so I re-entered this market, right? Again, I felt this was a very logical place to re-enter at the same place. It looked really good on an intraday chart that if the market took out this high, which just happened to be my old high at 80.48, I would like to re-enter. So you could have re-entered as it penetrated up through 80.48. Initial stop loss down here at 79.59, right? Now look at this. Look at this trade. Look what I'm risking. The initial catastrophic stop on this trade is 79 cents. Okay, oops, can't right here. 79 cents is the risk. And I'm keeping my same profit objectives from my original trade because off of a daily chart, it makes perfect sense. I'm going to flip back to a daily chart in a minute. So my initial risk is 79 cents. Okay, 80% of profit objective number one is $82.71. I'm looking to make $2.33 with an initial risk of 79 cents. And right, so that's 80% of profit objective number one. I'll take something off the table. And then profit objective number one is $83.26. And that gives me a profit of $2.88. So first profit target really 82.71, second one 83.26, long at $80.38 off this intraday chart based on, right, the daily chart. I'll take a look at the daily chart here. Same trade setup, right? So we're looking at $82.71 as that first profit target, right? Right there. So hope you learned something from that, and you can always re-enter the market. And, I mean, the takeaway here is, look, you can get stopped out. I definitely move my stop up a little premature, but I tend to be a little premature sometimes because I don't like losing money. And trade management is very, very important. So I stopped myself out, kept the chart up because I still like this, right? I still like this on a daily chart. So I kept the chart up, put an intraday chart up, saw a beautiful, beautiful entry off that 30-minute chart, re-entered the market, okay? And the profit objective starting this trade off is much even greater than when I first put it on based on the daily, okay? Hope that helps. Hope you learned something. Have a great day. Bye for now.